means that we have reached the climax. We have reached the climax, and we need to reset. You see now players are retiring. Why would a player like Onyango retire in this way? Former player of the year on the continent, so many times player, goalkeeper of the year in his league, and with all that he has done for the country, why is he forced out of the game? Regardless of what anybody will say, including Onyango himself, my experience, my humble experience tells me he was forced out of the game. And this is the level where we are at. And this is why I'm offering myself to take over, because FUFA has lost the dressing room. In football, the dressing room is the last line of defense. When you lose the dressing room in football, you go. FUFA has lost the dressing room. However, Cranes still belongs to us, the Ugandans, and we have the ability to make Cranes strong again. This agenda of Cranes that has been around was not good, but sometimes things have to get worse before they get better. At the Cranes level, things are worse. They are not worse because the players are not good. These same players have made the money for FUFA. And they know it, that for them as they sweat, they are making money for FUFA. They know it, but they have been doing it. These same players have taken us to the Africa Cup of Nations. And everybody knows it. So whatever has gone wrong has nothing to do with the players. It has nothing to do with the red card. But what happened this time is that because we did not qualify, the players failed in one thing: to make money for these people. And that's why they are extremely angry. Every time Cranes qualified, some of you might not have the details. If you ever get privy to the list that they send to the president for those bonuses, you will see Cranes players that have never kicked a ball in this country, but they go on that list. Because that qualification comes with a lot of money, but only a few benefit from it. But because of Cranes, the game has been in constant disrepute, like I said, to the extent that there was a strike in a major tournament, in the middle of the major tournament. Now we know the people who run the game do not respect those who played, and vice versa. And vice versa. When players don't respect you as their managers, if my pro-line players don't respect me, I do not deserve to be their manager. The game of football, we cherish those who played. We respect those who support us. And then we embrace those that invest in the game. Without those three values, we cannot have the game. And the highest office has abused all those values. But as Ugandans, we still have the ability to reclaim this glory. I don't want to go into the financials because of time, but the campaign is developing. We don't have any financials. We don't have. What we have is paper accountability. And you know everybody can make this paper accountability. You can go to NASA, print receipts, you can, especially when the person you are presenting the accountability to has no clue. So you can take advantage of him. But for us, we use this accountability. I heard about the systems. Which financial system in an organized institution that pays somebody 2 years later? Because for me, when the FIFA money came, they paid my coach, who last coached in 2017. They paid him in 2020 for the money, and they used the COVID money. So if the boys went and played and won CECAFA, the under 20 in September, now which organized institution, as they say, pays a year later? Because they have not received it. So I know institutions, they pay in a week, they pay in a month, and I know quarterly. I don't know anything beyond that. But let me say, okay, 6 months. What kind of system is that? People paid after 1 year. And here when they're announcing, they say, FUFA has given the under 20 players 4,000 each. They are very smart. Now, the fan picks it like that. And then the under 20s, you know what they do with their money? 70% of them, they give the money to their parents. Because most of them come from, such backgrounds. So they give money to their parents, maybe to do business, they have problems, that's what they do. Now the parents start to budget for that money. Then 1 month, then 2 months, then 3 months. You see? But a footballer's money can only be appreciated when you give it, when his sweat is still on. Me, I have a club and I struggle. I also go months without paying. But it's because I don't have the money. I don't get it from anywhere. So if my businesses are not working, but if the money comes in quarters or every month or whenever it is, and people take 2 years, you are going to get these problems as it is. So 4 years, we have seen the mistreatment of players from the federation. Both current and past players. FUFA should know that without players, there is no game of football. Without players, there is no game of football. But with players, even if there is no FUFA, football goes on. Football goes on. Currently, for me, I think the best organized competition is the Masaza competition. And we should applaud the Buganda Kingdom for that. Because they are cleaning their competition every week, every year. You see them striving to do better every year. Even in COVID, they stuck to their guns and said the competition will go on. They had meetings, they did this, they did this, but they're doing this without FUFA. I understand they have a relationship, but Masaza football started without FUFA. People play Bikabia Uganda football without FUFA. So football can be played. I am not saying people who want to play football should disregard FUFA. but I'm trying to send my message to them that the players make you. It's not the other way around. The players own the game, whether current or past. But now FIFA is arresting and jailing players, taking them to prison, fighting, doing everything they should. They think in their powers to send Mutiaba to Chitali. Of course, with our weak police system, because the video clearly shows Mutiaba is the one being harassed. Mutiaba is the one being beaten. Now, if you're a police person and you see that video, and why are you arresting the same person? When they ask, they say orders. That's how they shut you up. But what crime did Mutiaba make? He got information that fellow players have not received this amount of money for 2 years. You come and explain. Instead of coming to take the blame away from you and you blame everybody else, you explain the monies. So, the fact that we are arresting and imprisoning players, and those that are with us are not being paid. So there's different kinds of persecutions on both ends. When people work, you get their money and you don't give it to them. That crime is consistent with the highest level of lack of integrity. What are we going to do for our players? Lastly, all we want as footballers, now I'm going to wear the hat of a footballer. The thing that we want most is not for FIFA to give us money, to give us handouts. We just want to stay relevant after we have played the game. That's the most important thing. And we can only be relevant if we stay in the game of football, because that's what we know. The footballer situation is quite different. When a footballer is playing football, he's cherished, he's loved, he's respected, he's adored, to the extent that everything, they do it for them. We buy them boots, we bring the food on the table, we do their passports, even when they are boarding planes, we fill their boarding passes. When they go to hotels, they give him the room key. This is your room. This is how it is. Players are used to this kind of life. So, after 35 years, 40 years, he has retired. This person finds it difficult. First of all, to find a regular job, because he's a star. He's been a star, he's been adored. Naturally, it becomes difficult. Secondly, he spent all his life playing football. He does not have the skills of those jobs, let alone being comfortable being there. So, you cannot ask him to go and find a factory job and he feels okay with it. But he wants to find a job within football, such that he remains relevant. We are going to create a system, and this system is not new. This system was created everywhere else, because the same problem players face here, they face, even the rich ones, they even kill themselves. It's not about money, it's not the primary thing, but belonging, waking up and you cannot go for training. All your friends are in different places. That loneliness is the biggest issue. So, we are going to create a system where we identify players 2 years before they retire. For instance, in Proline, I have Brian Omon. I think he has maybe 3 years. Now, I go to Proline and get such players as a federation under the Players Association, and I sit down with those players. Brian, in 3 years' time, you are likely to hang up your boots. Do you have a plan? Says yes or no. What do you want to do? Where is your passion apart from being on the pitch? Where else do you want to work? Then Brian will say, I would like to be a coach. Or I have my books, I have a degree, I would like to be an administrator. I want to be a scout. So whatever he wants to be, I want to be a journalist, work on TV. I list him under that category. I do the same for every player in that club that is in that category. Then I go to all clubs. Then I know that we have 5, they want to be coaches, these want to be journalists, these want to be club administrators inside football. Immediately in those 3 years, start to train them. Start to train them. In their last year, start to place them. If I am a FUFA Federation and I went to any media house and I said I have this ex-player very interested in working as blah, 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 I'm sure they will listen. And this is how we can begin to fix them in. Those who want to be administrators, the same thing. Such that when people finish, they hang up their boots, they make that transition with the help of us, with our own help. They can be ambassadors for the national teams, for the clubs, you see. But bring them on. When they need treatment, because when they get older, that becomes the biggest problem. But if you have had a conversation with the government, then these people can be given a special card, because in other countries they do it. A special card to the government hospitals, where when they go there, they are given something equivalent to what we call here private treatment. And is that so difficult? This is what footballers want. Don't chase them away from their game. Don't remind them that you finished your days. If you didn't save, that is up to you. No, because they are the reason why FUFA still exists now. And we want them around the game because the past connects us to the future. So with that, I want to end this press conference here. My manifesto is here. I will launch it at the right time, where I will give it to everybody to have. I will talk about the other components I've not talked about, refereeing, beach and futsal, because if I start refereeing, we'll spend another day here. But I will come back as we go on to share more and shed more light on this strategy or plan that I intend to implement.
Ebibuuzo ebisinga bikwataganye ne process ya elections. Ba delegate nze nganze nina plan ki? Ndowooza ebisookerwako n'emitendera nga bwe gigenda byenganga nga bwe bigenda. Mujjukira luli nagezaako era bid n'etabeera successful. Ku luno, one of the reasons abantu gye bagamba navaayo ki? Navaayolate. Ku luno I don't think buddeyo nga bukyali. Yes, balonze ku district, but process tugirimu era process twagiyingiramu, because before nga tonaba kulangirira osooka n'okola consultations. So we have done consultations and we know and we are following the process. Of course, John Sobola byogera wano, but we also know the opponents si bangu. Era nabo baba bagezaako okukola buli kye basobola okulaba nti beesigaliza mu ntebe. Ate tumanyi nti oluusi they stop at nothing mu kugezaako okwesigaliza mu ntebe. So I don't know what you're going to call and the next I am going to present my credentials. I'm going to follow the process. I'm going to subject myself to all the processes. Boche basalawo okukola tujja kututunuulira kiri mu constitution, kiri mu mateeka, okiba kiri outside, then nga tukinogera eddagala at that time. But we are ready. We have a very strong team that is going to work. Era tusuubira tetujja kufuna buzibu bwonna. However, I am not the kind of person a driving agenda just because nabye njagala nazo muntu. That's why in Zenziwano, I want to sell this agenda to first of all the football fraternity. I know they don't vote, but to me they are extremely important. Era nze benkolera. If the football fraternity does not believe in me, naye nga abafuga omupiira ne bampita wali ne bangamba jangu ofuge, I will not go. So for me this is very important. And this will give me the energy if people buy into my agenda. Abantu banaba banneesiga kuba nze okusavinga omupiira njagala nnyo okusavinga abantu b'omupiira. Saagala nnyo okufuga mupiira, njagala kusavinga abantu bamupiira. Eno office egenda kunyamba okusavinga abantu b'omupiira. Club zembaddeko abadde banfollowinga nze ye dream yange. I want to okubeera n'omukululu wange long after I am gone. This happened oba Mujibu agenze but yalwanirira omupiira oba yakolerera omupiira. So the first akalulu kensinga okwagala nga wadde wali mu ballot kamatalinga k'abantu ate nabo njagala bakampe nga bakkiririzaamu ebyo bye mbagamba bye ngenda okukola ng'era banange banzikiririzaamu. Ekyo we nakifuna, for me that is the first win. Manyi bulungi buli omu agamba abo tebalonda but nze ng'omuntu ekyo kye kisinga okuba important. I will subject myself eri ku process, then buli katego ke banantega nga ndaba engeri gyenkola ki gyenkayitamu. Naye abaana aba waliwo fair play endowooza tujja genda kalulu the delegates basalewo, era I am going to present my agenda to the same delegates and push okulaba nti banonda oba ne bagamba nedda. Ba coaches wembadde njogedde about coaches neŋŋamba nti nze nzikiriza bakochi bawano ate kinkakatako okubajjukira nze mbasomesa era mbamanyi era mmanyi they can do omulimu ogw'okukuza omupiira mu Uganda. Nze ngenda beesiga era nja convincinga tiimu yange tubeesige ate twongere obadevelopinga. So tugenda bainvestinga mu ssente ate tubeesige okukoochinga omupiira gwa Uganda okuva ku national teams all the way to the league. Coach kizibu nnyo okukoochinga team a club okusinga national team. Lwakuba wano baabikyusa tulowooza naye club nzibu nnyo okukoochinga okusinga national team. Era bakoches bonna abalungi beegomba nnyo okukoochinga club okusinga national team. Naye wano because buli kimu national team, abantu buli kimu bakoach national team, abasambi national team. So mentality gye twagala okukyusa. Already manifesto yange ndaze nti tugenda kubeera ne bacoaches ku every district. Ezo districts zirimeka 140 mu something 142. Those are already immediately 140 jobs for coaches created. Tugenda kubeera ne coaches ku buli region. Tugenda kubeera ne scout mu buli district ne buli region. Already from here mbalaze nti we are creating jobs for coaches. So the coaches, they are in good hands because I am one of them. The players are in good hands because I am one of them. The clubs are in good hands because I am one of them. You see, the football administrator, they are in good hands because I am one of them. And for me, my way of doing things is going to come from empathy. Mbamanyi kyoliko okusaaweeyo because nkirimu oba nakiyitamu. So we are going to create jobs because that's what we want, and football can create jobs. If the league is booming, ne journalism egenda kugaziwa. You see, so there will be so many aspects of journalism eziyingira mu mulimu where people can enjoy. Clubs zigaziwe zibere professionalized at this different level, abawala bani, and they will need the expertise of this. So more money will come in. So jobs creation is top on the agenda, and this plan already providing for that. I am willing nze nsobola okukola n'omuntu yenna mu mupiira era nze nsobola okusavingira mu capacity yonna mu mupiira as long as the agenda ya football. As long as the agenda ya football. So if somebody comes nga integrity ye nje kakasa nga agenda ye gyalina gyagenda okukola njikiririzaamu nga ne track record ye njikiririzaamu because nze mbadde mupiira buli omu mumanyi kizibu nnyo okujja mupiira nga mbadde sikumanyi. So omuntu waayita checks ezisatu I can work with him. Kasita omuntu ajja nga he has a better agenda nga nezo questions ezisatu nga integrity ye ne track record ye, I can work with anybody. But for now, I think as a son of the game, nsobola nga bagamba nanyini mufu yakwata wawunya. I have come out to do that role. Sinza asinga amagezi, sinza asinga okutegeera omupiira, but I have the passion and I can offer myself to do this because kino kyembadde nkola all my life. Distribution ya sente jena soseeko nze mbagambi government egaba 10 billion for cranes. Bwe tugenda ne tufuna obuyinza mu FUFA billion 5 kwezi 10 tugenda ziteeka mu development site because fe tugamba there is no cranes without the clubs, there is no cranes without these other structures. So cranes etandikire no wansi. So kyenvudde ngamba nti billion 5 tugenda zireeta eno. Out of billion 5, 2.5 billion tugenda ziteeka mu liigi ya waggulu nga kwezo buli kiraabu esooka nefuna million 10, then million 4 zigende mu prize money naye nga njagala awinize league afune at least 200 million, then the other 200 million zigabanizibwe ku bifo ebirala okusinziira abantu nga bakoze ki bwe bamaliriza, then million 5 tugenda ziteekawo that fund nga tuwola amakirabu sente zisobole okugenda mu operations zaazo, kusasula bazanyi, welfare, okubalabirira biki. Club zetugenda okuwola sente tutaddeko condition emu kyolina okubanga osobola okuweza abawagizi 1,000 ye target yaffe nti Villa esobola okuteeka abawagizi 1,000 mu club, ekyo tumanyi ekisobola. So that's what they have to do. Fe tubawole sente zino omwaka gumu, omwaka 2, omwaka ogwokusatu we batandika ozisasula kubanga omwaka ogwokusatu tujja kumanya ebbugumu lyayirira dda mu kirabu, then ate bagenda zisasula nga tekuli interest ate nga just batusasula buli mupiira batusasulako 20% kuzeba bafunye sajja tebanja tebaliwulira ate basigala financially bagenda mu maaso. When Villa is strong then Proline ejja kubenefitinga nti bwede hostinga Villa wane mu Kampala abawagizi ba Villa abo 1,000 nze ngenda okufuna gate collection eyo. So Villa esobola okunkolera million 10 ngeze wange ne KCC bwebe bawezeza ne Express naye kati on top of my head ne experience yange ezabbiri nzimanyi nti abawagizi bayo webaliawo webaba basazewo bateeka mu kisaawe babayina kati abakyazimba abawagizi ate tufunira ku bano ti wemba nejo emipiira 5 Villa empadde sente, KCC empadde sente, Viper Odumparaka, then mbeera ne budget nange nga Proline okubanga nine sente okulabirira abazanyi bange bino ebyokutubanja emyezi nga tebiriiwo naye nga sente zifunye muki obawagizi ba clubs ezo. That's why mu mupiira mu dakiika 9 tubeera ba rivals bubi nnyo naye we gugwa tulina kuba ba partners because we tuba ba partners buli omu afuna foli. So that is bwetu bengenda okudistributinga sente ezo eza Premier League mwogero kiteekamu amaanyi.
Ekya FUFA okukyogedeko
FUFA mbagambye mu mupiira tulina ebintu bibiri. Ekisooka okuteeka omuzannyo into distribute mu Luganda simanyi oba okuteeka omupiira mu katyabaga oba mu kavuyo. At this time ekyo kyekiriwo, naye ate omuntu alina okupanishinga abo abatadde omupiira mu kavuyo mu katyabaga, I believe kati ate FUFA yenyini yekola ki yekikola, and that's where we are. Mu mupiira ekyokubiri bw'oluzinga dressing room tukuzza bbali, era bakochi ne basinga okugoba bagamba he lost the dressing room. Bw'oluzinga dressing room kitegeeza enkolagana yo n'abazanyi bwefa, we cannot have omupiira omulungi. So what do we do? One of you at the side, and this is how football works. Bw'ogaana, the situation cannot get better. So Ugandans balina kitunuulira mu ngeri eyo. Waliwo levels ze tutalina kukkiriza kusinkinga into. That's where we are now. That's where we are now. Both on the pitch, ba neighbors baffe betubadde twewanirako bakakinze up, abalala batulese. You see, because the reason why tetwaqualifying has nothing to do with Kitende the stadium, has nothing to do ne Malawi that last game. It is South Sudan. It is South Sudan in Nairobi. But even here we had seen the signs. But that is the match eyatukola obubi. Ate tetwagizanyira Kitende. Ate South Sudan yeyino complaining kuba yo mu group empira jayo jawe donna egizanyidde awe. So when we went to play South Sudan in Nairobi, we had the advantage because we have played more matches there to a high level, and South Sudan didn't even have fans. So tugenze ku kisaawe tufa. What happened in Chan had nothing to do with players. Abazanyi tewali wanasooka kungamba nti abazanyi babakuba mu Chan because tebeewaayo. Abaana beewaayo. Uganda yeyasinga covering a distance. They have these statistics. They are single covering a distance Uganda. Kitegeeza abaana bakazana. But because they don't have the proper tools, the proper skills, okukazana kwabwe tekwavaamu eki, and this is the story of our football. Tukazana bukazanyi tugenda kusurvivinga mu games. You can survive. Omuntu atamanyi mpira asobola okusurvivinga 90 minutes. Asobola okukuba. But what players need is proper development, proper system, proper structures. What plan yange ni kyokola ki kyegira. Naye kaakati wano we tutuuse FUFA n'abazanyi relationship yafudde. Already betuwulidde bikyafu. Kati imagine betutawulira on both sides. So the only way is for FUFA to allow a reset. The best way would be in a peaceful way, but one way or the other, football has a way. Gira wait. You can also abusing but for only too long. Time to compete about when you college ne so ekyokuba nti FUFA n'abazanyi relationship yabwe eri dead. We need to reset.
Olimu ennyamivu kyogere
ndimu ennyamivu nnyo ku nsonga abazanyi gye balekuliramu omupiira guno nga bwe nabagambye nti omuzanyi waaba azannya omupiira tumwagala nnyo. Tulina okumakinga sure nti okwagala kwe twagala omuzannyo tumwagala buli stage ye ey'omupiira, ng'ayingira, ng'agulimu, ng'agufuluma, ng'atandise n'ogukolera. Omuzannyi ng'Onyango okubanga ali forced because Onyango tali tayarinze, Wasu Hassan tali tayarinze, n'abo abalala abanaavaayo embeera ebaforcinze okuva mu mupiira. Omupiira guba muki mu mupiira, naye gwani aforcinga Onyango okuva mu mupiira? Gwani? Because olaba ne comments eziva ku side eri ya federation balaga ekyo si kikulu, oba agende bazanyi baze ne bagenda, naye gwani ayogera ekigambo ekyo ku Onyango? Kiki Onyango kyatakoze? Omubiri gwe gwonna gujjudde enkovu za mupiira na za national team. Onyango alina okulekulira omupiira ku terms ze, and the football system must create embeera eyo. Omupiira guba ne traditions n'ennono zaagwo. Onyango must leave football ku terms ze n'agamba bannaye omupiira guli gwe gugenda okusembayo. Yennyini n'organizinga ne FUFA ne tumusiibula bannayuganda ne tuba ne opportunity. Okiraba naye kati mwagala abantu basookenga kuva mu nsi tugende tulabe caskettes okubasiibula what? This person who is leaving the pitch must be tulina omukkiriza n'awumula ku terms ze kuba akianize. Waliwo abazanyi b'oforcing into retirement, no problem, nga ye takyalina, naye waliwo bali nga ye alina kuva ku mupiira ku terms ze. But Onyango has been forced out, and this is where we are mu mupiira gwa Uganda. So that situation needs to change. Embeera ey'okuddukanya omupiira needs to change, and until we do something, kati tumujibuka sule tojja kubeera waka embeera ekyuke. That's why nzize wano mu Lwokaano negatte ne bannayuganda teeka eddoboozi lyabwe ku lyabwe nabo bateeke agaabwe ku lyange tulabe nga tubaako kye tukola okutereza omupiira gwaffe.
Oyogedde ku nteekateeka
omupiira nga era bwe ŋŋambye awummula mu ngeri bbiri. Waliwo oli gwe mulitayalinga ne tulabe ne football clubs ne balitayalinga omuzannyi ne bamugya mu system. Naye waliwo oli nga anize ekitiibwa nga ye alina kulitayalingira ku terms ze, akyapafominga bulungi, tiimu emwetaaga, kwegamba mumuwa ekitiibwa ekyo ye n'asalawo. Onyango, whenever you are ready, sometimes aba ayagala ne mumugamba no, sooka osigalewo. So abazanyi balina kulitayalingira mu bitiibwa, the same place mu kisaawe to us, si ku Twitter, si ku ki. Naye omuzanyi wa litayalinga ku Twitter kitegeeza omupiira gumuforcinze out. Leero Onyango tagenda kuba musanyufu mu bulamu bwe, naye lwaki amala omupiira mu nnaku? Because he is a man kati abadde brave. Naye ebigambo bye mwabiwulidde, yalowooza ebigo byagudde bigaggawaza balala, si ye ne banne mu ngeri ng'eyo. Akooye okukolera nga bwe bagamba nkooye okukolerera abatwazi, kye yayogedde mu bigambo bye. So omupiira gulina okuyisa abazanyi mu ngeri ey'ekitiibwa, naye kati saawa eno kirabika tekiriiwo.